So again, in terms of doing the assessment, it is essentially considered as a seven-step process in terms of like starting from prioritizing and scoping the whole thing, the whole engagement in terms of the cybersecurity assessment, and then like orienting yourself and creating your current profile in terms of where you are with respect to these different categories that are listed in there, and then going over the risk assessment, and then creating your target profile in terms of where exactly your organization wants to be with respect to each one of those categories. And then what you would do is essentially, if your current and target are same, or if your current is more than your target, then obviously you don't have any gaps. Whereas if, for most of the organizations that you do assessment for, essentially the target is much higher than the current profile. So what you would do is you would determine, analyze, and then prioritize those gaps and determine that, like, what are the things that needs to be prioritized. What is your plan of action, and then how are you going to implement those plans? That's what it is. So essentially, it is a seven-step process. Some of the companies we've seen are doing it in five-step or six-step process. But essentially, if you are really looking at it, it is a seven-step process.
For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.